Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are on the website of theways2wealth.com, 15 best passive income apps, top paying platforms of 2023. Right. So it says that you can get the more out of your spare time and money. Uncover the best passive income apps that pay you in dollars, that offer high earnings. So these apps are going to give you high earnings, right? As well as some smart money by management solution that will grow your funds on their own. This is the most recent one. Passive income apps are an easy way to generate extra income or gift cards without the need for effort on your part, from data sharing to investing and participation in the sharing economy. There are a variety of apps that allow you to earn an autopilot or close to it. Our top passive income apps include Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel, an established app that pays you in exchange for access to your anonymized internet usage data. Then we have Swag Bucks, a reward platform offering semi-passive income opportunities such as cashback shopping and a browser extension that will alert you to opportunities to earn on websites you currently browse. M1 Finance, an investing platform ideal for passive investors with features like automatic rebalancing and pre-built expert portfolios. Then they have Fetch Truck Rental, an excellent passive income source for pickup truck or cargo van owners. Fetch enables you to offer your vehicles for rental on a streamlined platform. Earning potential can exceed $10,000 per year. We have categorized the best passive income apps into four main categories. The best data collection and sharing apps earn rewards in exchange for data about your customers' habits and or access to your device's computing resources. Best passive investment app, build an investment portfolio and let your money work for you. Best passive cashback and rewards app, get your money and gift card for your everyday online and in-store shopping. Best passive sharing economy apps make money from underutilized assets such as a car you rarely drive, or an unused space in your home. The rating data below was collected on July 6, 2023. We update these numbers periodically throughout the year to keep them current. Best data collection and sharing apps for earning passive income. Number one, Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. The Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel app is our top choice for truly passive income. Nielsen is a publicly traded global research company known for its TV ratings that studies consumer behavior in over 100 countries. By joining their panel, you are contributing to understand how people use the internet. You start by installing the Nielsen app on your laptop, tablet, or smartphone. Once installed, the app works silently in the background and gathering data on the websites and apps you visit. It does not collect sensitive information like user IDs or passwords, ensuring your privacy is maintained. For more information, see our depth in review. Okay. Then we have number two, mobile expression. Mobile expression owned by the internet technology big company Crore is a data collection app similar to the Nielsen computer and mobile panel. Its primarily function is to its primary function is to monitor mobile data usage to uncover patterns in online behavior. After being installed on an Android device, no iOS version is available. The app runs silently in the background, collecting anonymized data about browsing history and usage. The app does not collect sensitive information like phone calls, personal emails, or text messages, and the data collected is never linked to user identities. As a sign-up bonus, Mobile Expression offers a $5 Amazon gift card in return for good data contribution. After just 1 week of use, there are also opportunities to win up to $5,000 in periodic sweepstakes. Number three is SebiConnect. Owned by Luth researchers, SebiConnect offers users the opportunity to earn passive income by sharing their online behavioral data. SebiConnect collects anonymized data from about your online activities such as searches, shopping, and entertainment. In return for this data, you will get paid up to $15 per month per advice $5 type, including your company, computer, phone, and tablet. To maintain this monthly incentive, users must frequently use their devices with Savvy Connect installed, providing at least 7 days of actual usage data per calendar month. Currently, Savvy Connect is only available to US residents. The payment method provided is paper check via email, and users can request their payments after occurring just $1. So, guys, we are on Honeygain now, and we have learned just about it. We have learned so many things on this website about passive income apps. See you soon in the next video. Till then, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for more updates. Bye bye. Take care.